What are you doing?
I'm walking the elephant.
Are you wearing Daddy's shoes?
That's too big. That's too big.
Are they too big for Anna?
Yeah. Look at my shoes right here. My shoes. My Daddy's shoes.
How's Daddy?
I'm looking at the elephant. I'm looking at the elephant.
Are you walking like an elephant?
Boom, boom, boom.
Boom, boom, boom. Uh-oh.
I don't like wearing Daddy's shoes.
You don't like wearing Daddy's shoes?
I'm too big. Too big that I am. Let's go now.
They're too big for Anna.
Hey, Anna.
Daddy, it's you. Daddy did that shoes. But Daddy wears their shoes. Daddy wears their shoes.
You want Daddy to wear the shoes?
Can you say Daddy put the shoes on?
Daddy put